English Practice Daily.
Hello everyone and welcome back to English Practice Daily. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of our daily rituals and how they can shape our mood and productivity. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as breakfast can set the tone for our entire day? So tell me, what did you have for breakfast today?
Oh, wow, that's a great start. I had cereal with milk, but now I'm really curious. Do you think the type of breakfast we have really affects how we feel throughout the day? Like, does it matter if it's cold cereal versus hot oatmeal?
Absolutely. This morning I went for scrambled eggs and toast, both packed with protein and carbs. Eating a hearty breakfast is like filling up your car with the right fuel. You've got to be energized to take on the day. Have you ever noticed how your mood shifts depending on your morning meal choices?
That's a good point. I do notice if I have something sugary, I end up crashing later. It's like when you eat a huge slice of cake. At first, you're on a sugar high, and then, BAM! You just want to take a nap. Any bizarre food stories from your breakfast table?
Haha, totally! The other day, a friend made a gigantic pancake to impress everyone. Seriously, it was as big as a dinner plate. But the crazy part? Nobody could finish it. So we ended up with pancake leftovers for days. Speaking of breakfast, did you pair your cereal with coffee?
Of course! One huge cup with milk and a little sugar, It's like my morning ritual. But I have to ask, if you skipped coffee one morning, how would that affect your vibe? Like, would you feel like a zombie or something?
Oh man, that would be a disaster. The last time I skipped my coffee, I felt like a total zombie. My brain was just foggy. But hey, enough about me. After breakfast, what interesting things did you get up to today?
Well, I went for a walk in the park. It was so peaceful, right? Lots of green trees and colorful flowers. Nature really does recharge you, doesn't it? If you've ever tried to meditate outside, it's like everything just clicks.
Definitely. Walking in nature is like a mini vacation for your brain. I remember this one time during a walk, I stumbled upon a cheeky squirrel that seemed to be giving me the side eye. Ever had an animal encounter like that? Like, maybe a curious raccoon?
Oh my gosh, yes. When I was little, I once tried to befriend a squirrel at the park, but it just took my peanut and scurried off. So your walk was a peaceful start. What exciting plans do you have for the afternoon?
I'm heading to the supermarket for salad ingredients. Gotta keep it fresh and healthy, right? After that, I'm meeting a friend for lunch at this small cafe. They serve this chicken sandwich that's out of this world.
Wow, now you're making me hungry. Do they really have good food there? I'm just picturing this gourmet experience. Like, is it the type of place where you can feel the love put into the food?
Oh, for sure. It's one of those spots where they source the ingredients thoughtfully. You can really taste the freshness. It's like a mini culinary adventure every time I go. What about you? Any fun lunch plans after finishing that book about animals?
Haha, I'm actually thinking about watching a comedy. Laughter is so good for you. Speaking of which, do you have a favorite funny movie that could brighten up a rainy day?
Oh, absolutely. There's this movie featuring a clever dog. It's sweet, hilarious, and it warms your heart. I mean, dogs are the best. Do you have any pets at home?
I have a cat named Luna. She's white with these striking blue eyes. But is she playful? Or just a professional napper, like most cats I know? You know those cats that just sit back and judge you?
Ha! Mostly a napper, I feel, ya. I don't have a pet right now, but I dream of having a medium-sized, friendly dog. Just imagine all the adventures we could have at the park.
Oh wow, that would be adorable. I can totally picture both of you running around. So let me ask, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older brother. He's funny and kind and always cracking jokes. What about you? What's your sibling situation?
I have a younger sister and we're super close. We talk every day. Family bonding is so important. What do you all do when you get together? Is it like pasta nights or game nights?
Oh, we have these big family dinners. Pasta, salad, and my mom's famous chocolate cake. You know, it's like a feast of love. What about you? Any special family traditions?
Well, my family lives nearby and we have weekend barbecues. Good food, games, laughter. What's not to love? It always feels like a reunion every week. Do you guys play games too?
That sounds fantastic. And speaking of good vibes, what about travel? Where's your dream destination?
Oh, Italy, without a doubt. I want to dive into the food and soak up the incredible history. I mean, the sights, the art, the landscapes. I'd probably take like 1,000,000 photos? Is there any specific dish you're dreaming of?
Italy is breathtaking. I'd love to visit Japan with those stunning mountains, serene temples, and oh, the cherry blossoms in spring are just magical. And of course, sushi.
Yum, sushi for sure. It seems like food is always a part of our travel plans, right? Like when you're wandering the streets of new places, food is always the best experience.
Absolutely. Food connects us, slows down time, and enhances those beautiful moments we'll always remember. This has been such a delightful conversation. We've covered so much ground.
I know, right? From our breakfasts, our pets, family, and travel dreams. It's been such a lovely chat.
And through it all, we've smiled and laughed together. You know, smiling really amplifies every conversation, doesn't it?
Yes. So folks, now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments one thing you did today. Did you enjoy your breakfast? Maybe you went for a walk or read a book?
We'd absolutely love to read your answers. And don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Daily and share this episode with your friends.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye, everyone.
Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications for new lessons. I look forward to talking with you again soon. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.